Hey guys, so I wanted to create a video for you so you can see what Story Jumper is like. So there's directions below this video for your username and your password, but you're going to go to storyjumper.com. This is what it looks like. When you get there, you're going to go to this login. I've already created a login for you. I'm going to use Addison's, but you have a username and a password. Your username is your first name with a capital letter, and then your last name, and then 2020 at the end. Your password is going to be Kerr with a capital K, so K-E-R-R 2020. Okay, so when you get there, then you're going to click Login. It's going to prompt you to pick a new password, and then you'll submit that. Okay, I'm not going to create Addison's password for her, so I'm going to go back to the original page, and I'm going to show you what it looks like from there. Okay, so once you're logged in, I'm going to log in as me really quickly. Okay, so this is my page, but I wanted to show you what Story Jumper is. So when you get there, you're going to click on this Kerr 2020. So basically what you can do with this book, this website, is you can create a book. So I want you guys to have your fairy tale from last week. I want you to be able to create a book with that. So you're going to come down. Okay. I'm going to show you with this practice book. So basically what you can do, you can create your book. You can open it up. You can make all of your pages. Okay, it's going to kind of show you what to do. Okay, so as you go, you can type into it. You can create characters. You can draw them. You can write your book. You can add props. So I'm going to let you guys just kind of fiddle around with it, and you'll hit save and exit when you're finished, right? But it's cool because then when you're done with the book, you can actually go and buy the book. So let me show you an example of a student who created a book. Okay, so you can kind of see that each page she's created the words, and she's created the pictures in the background. She even added her voice to it so you can listen to it. Oh, she's singing. Very good. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like when you're finished. And the cool thing about it is too, if you see right here, it says buy. So if your parents really like the book that you make, you can actually buy it, and they'll ship it to you like as a real published book. The other cool thing is when everyone has finished publishing their book, you'll be able to go to our library and you'll be able to see everybody's books, and you can actually go in and read your friends' books. So that's kind of what we're doing. Remember, this is optional, but I think it could be really fun if you guys wanted to take the time to do it. So have fun and enjoy.